Taking a full screen screenshot on any Windows computer. 1. Go to the screen that you want to screenshot. Before you can take a screenshot, make sure that the screen which you want to screenshot is up with no distractions, example open Windows or programs. 2. Press the print screen key. It's typically found in the upper right side of the keyboard, just right of the row of function keys, example F12, at the top of the keyboard. Pressing the print screen key will take a picture of the entire screen's contents. The print screen key may be entitled PRTSC or something similar. If your computer has an FN key in the lower left side of the keyboard, you might need to press FN and print screen at the same time. 3. Open Paint. This program comes installed on all Windows computers. To open it, open Start image titled Windows Start.png. On Windows 8, open Search. Click the search bar at the bottom of the Start menu. Type in Paint. Click Paint at the top of the Start window. On Windows 8, Paint will be in the search results. For a Windows XP computer, click Start, select Programs, select Accessories, and click Paint. 4. Paste in the screenshot. Once the Paint window opens, press Ctrl+V to paste in the screenshot. You should see the screenshot appear in the Paint window. 5. Save the screenshot. Press Ctrl+S, then enter a name for your screenshot, select a save folder on the left side of the window, and click Save. You can change the screenshot's file type by clicking the Save as Type drop-down box at the bottom of the window and then clicking a different format, example JPEG, in the drop-down menu. The most common file types are JPG and PNG. The recommended format for screenshots is PNG, due to the high quality and small file size.